Salman Khan has played a romantic hero in umpteen films, but the actor always maintained that he never felt the need to kiss on screen because he finds it uncomfortable. The Bollywood superstar had also once said that kissing scenes were not necessary in a film. However, it seems that Salman Khan has finally ended his no-kiss policy. Here's what happened. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan dropped the trailer of his highly anticipated film Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai, and it is all anyone is talking about today. High on adrenaline with action-packed fight scenes, dramatic chase sequences and epic dialogues, the trailer had everything you'd expect from a Salman Khan starrer, except a kiss. Yes, for the very first time in his career, spanning over several decades, Bhaijan finally appears to lock lips on screen with Disha Patni. The 1-second kiss features the silhouettes of Salman and Disha in the middle of the trailer during one of the songs, Blink, and you will surely miss it. Loyal Salman Khan fans could not believe their eyes as they went wild on Twitter with their honest reactions. While some expressed shock, others could not hold back their excitement on being able to finally see Salman's first kiss on screen. However, it appears that Salman may have followed his no-kissing clause after all, as some users pointed out that a brighter shot of the scenes shows Disha with a piece of tape covering her lips. Check out some of the reactions. Meanwhile, Radhe marks the coming together of Salman and filmmaker Prabhu Deva as well as Salman and Disha. While the director-actor duo had worked together on Wanted, Disha and Salman briefly shared screen space in the film Bharat. On Wednesday, it was announced that Radhe Your Most Wanted Bhai. Meanwhile, the trailer has received an overwhelming response from the fans. The film is all set to release on May 13, 2021 in cinemas worldwide and OTT platform on a pay-per-view model. The film also stars Randeep Hooda and Jackie Shroff in pivotal roles. Meanwhile, are you excited for this Salman Khan starrer? Comment below and let us know.